Neo-Black Movement of Africa (NBM) don carry waka go the palace of Oba of Benin, His Royal Majesty Omonoba Nedo Ukwu-Akpolokpolo, Oba Eware II for his 7th Coronation Anniversary and birthday celebration. The event shele for the palace of the Oba for Benin City. The Presido for Neo-Black Movement of Africa (NBM) Olorugo Esekako come talk say every day na Oba Day, but today dey special and im stand to protect the culture of Africa and say dem come align with the Oba and say the main purpose of the NBM na to protect and preserve African cultures and say dem go continue to dey praise the Oba for im good work. E come talk say the celebration dey significant no be small, say NBM na 7, Coronation Anniversary na 7 and the birthday also carry the 7. Say NBM na body wey the Oba put body well.
Every day na Oba Day, but today na special day for the Oba. So we don come join the Oba to celebrate this special day. You know, today na the 7th year anniversary coronation and his 70th birthday. Yes, so we've come to celebrate with him. The Oba don make us proud. The Oba, the effort wey he don put in to return the stolen artifacts, we dey praise am. We will continue to praise am because he get more to do. And we don come to align with am because our organization NBM of Africa, wey I be the national president, so our major aim and objective is to protect and preserve African culture, of which he dey do the same thing. He don protect African culture by returning the stolen artifact back to his original place where they make am, where they thief am from. Now oyibo come thief am carry go, but he carry am come back, so we dey proud of am. We will continue to dey praise am because we no get anything wey we fit take honour am than to dey praise am. So we will continue to dey praise our Oba and we wish him long life, prosperity, and God go continue to preserve am, go continue to protect am for us. 7 na the number now. Oba know the meaning of 7. The 7, Oba himself don already dey align with the 7 because he dey preserve that number. The number na to preserve the culture, which is African culture. We as a Pan-African organization, our work na to dey preserve the culture too. The Kingdom of Benin na the African tradition residing, and the Oba Day stand gidigba to make sure say that culture and tradition dey preserved, and e stand gidigba to protect the culture for every one of us as Africans. Here na our home o, we no get any other place o.
Pa Ogbede Godwin come talk say belle sweet dem wella sake of say the Oba dey celebrate im 7th years anniversary and birthday and say dem dey here to celebrate the development of the Oba.
These 7 years have been glorious years for the Benin Kingdom and for the Black race. We are here as representatives of the Black race in humanity to celebrate with him that these 7 years are unmistaken years of development, unmistaken years of growth, unmistaken years of display of our culture, traditions and conventions. Omonoba has stood with the conventions, has stood with the tradition. We are here to celebrate with him on the 7th anniversary and to the glory of God on the 70th birthday.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojoisole, TMC TV News.